Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. Suppose if the price of crude now currently trading at around 1110.110.52, okay, and if you look at this trend, this is the particular trend. It was moving in this particular range for so much, okay, and after that it is following this particular trend, okay, and the trend's high, and we can say this particular high is around 114.99. Suppose if this level sustain, we can see then it can move further upside, okay. But if you look at the trend, if you look at this particular trend, what we can see that if this level sustain, we can see it can go further upside, okay. Now if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other position regarding commodities or forex, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other forex or any other commodities are working. If you wish to join my telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. See now, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 1112, okay, 1110. So if you look at this particular trend, what we have seen that 110.89 is a resistance, okay, which is already a weakened resistance, so probability will be high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level of 112.71. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 113.62, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 114.99. and once if it sustain this particular level 114.99, we can see it can move further side, because if this particular resistance sustained, then we can see a probability of going towards at a level of 118.62 is very high, and once this particular level also sustained, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 120. And suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 129, and from there we can see it can go further upside and can touch a level sustain above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 129.54, and once this level sustain, then we can see a level of 135.91, and from there we can see further upside. But market is uncertain, you cannot see that it will go downside. What you have to do is follow a trend. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further down to a level of 107.71, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 106.35, okay, and once the level goes below that level, then we can see a level of 105.44, okay, and if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 104.07. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 101.34, okay, and once if it goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 98.16, okay. Suppose if the price didn't sustain that level, then we can see a level of 95.89, okay, and from there we can see it can move further down to a level of 93.16, okay, and once this level sustain or didn't sustain, then we can see if the level didn't sustain, we can see it can move further down towards a level of 86.79, and from there if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 85.43, okay. Once this level also didn't sustain, then we can see at a level of 82.24, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 77, and 77 is a very strong support. First strong support we can see coming at around 85.88. if this level breaks, we can see a level of 77, okay, and this level also didn't sustain, then we can see a probability of touching 67.24. keep this in mind. What I am saying you if you are trading, you have to be very careful with your SL and for the limit that you will trade according to your capital, okay. And understand something, if you are trading, you have to be trading and investing, you have to do with your financial advisor, but understand something, if you are trading, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, okay, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is around 1000 to 1500, and risk should be 0.5 to 1%, okay. If you do that, what will happen, that if you take even 5 trades and all 5 are wrong, then you can see that your loss will be $500, which will not affect your psychology, okay. Then you can trade properly on the next day. Otherwise what will happen, that if you lose $5,000 of this particular capital, then you will try to recover this capital, and then with that particular you will lose your full capital. That is the thing which most of the trader do, okay. This is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend the workshop, please mail me regarding that, Okay, we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.